Welcome to Employment and Education News. This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 291 officer grade B post vacancy in Reserve Bank of India. Eligibility graduation in any discipline, master degree in economics, finance, statistics, mathematics, master degree course in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 9 June 2023. 372 chargeman post vacancy in Indian Navy. Eligibility degree in science with physics or chemistry or mathematics. Diploma in engineering. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 29 May 2023. Junior Engineering Assistant post vacancy in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Eligibility ITI 3 years diploma in engineering, BSc with minimum 1 year experience. Age limit maximum 31 years. Last date for application 30 May 2023. Scientist engineer post vacancy in Indian Space Research Organization. Eligibility BE or BTech, bachelor degree in architecture with 65%. Age limit maximum 28 years, age on 24 May 2023. Last date for application 24 May 2023. Salary H for pay level 10. 2 mechanical engineer, 1 electronics or electrical engineer post vacancy in Central Toolroom, Ludhiana. Eligibility diploma or degree in engineering and 2 years of experience for diploma in engineering, nil for degree in engineering. Age limit maximum 30 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 6 June 2023. Assistant Technical Officer, Assistant Officer, Technical Assistant, Administrative Assistant, Accountant Assistant post vacancy in Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology. Eligibility ITI, Diploma in Mechanical, DPMT, DPT, PGD PTQC, PGD PPT, PDPMD with CAT-CAM. BE or BTech in Mechanical, Chemical, Polymer Technology, MSc with specialization in Polymer Science, Graduation, MBA with experience. Age limit maximum 32 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 29 May 2023. Technical Officer, Scientific Assistant, Stipendiary Trainee post vacancy in Bhava Atomic Research Center. Eligibility 10th ITI, BSc, MSc, M Library, BE or BTech. Age limit maximum 22 years for Stipendiary Trainee Category 2, 24 years for Stipendiary Trainee Category 1, 25 years for Technician, 30 years for Scientific Assistant, 35 years for Technical Officer. Last date for application 22 May 2023. MSME Technology Center Durg Chhattisgarh admission course for Diploma in Tool and Die Making, Diploma in Mechatronics. Eligibility 10th with Mathematics and Science with 50% marks. Age limit between 15 to 19 years, age on 1st July 2023. Last date of registration 28 May 2023. Entrance exam date 4 June 2023. Admission and counseling 20 June 2023. Scientific Assistant C, Scientific Assistant B, Technician C, Technician B post vacancy in National Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhubaneswar. Eligibility 10th and minimum 1 year library science, 12th science with 60%, BSc Physics, Computer Science, Electronics, BSc Life Sciences, Zoology, Biotechnology, Animal Science, BSc Chemistry, BSc Biology, BSc Geology, Applied Geology, Geophysics, Applied Geophysics, Diploma in Mechanical, Computer Science, Electronics, Electronics and Instrumentation, Civil Engineering with experience. Age limit maximum 32 years. Last date for application 29 May 2023. Thanks for watching till the end.